Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to sell the Bonk coin. It's quite easy to get this done. Open up your browser, and on your browser you're going to be dropped at coinmarketcap.com. Now once you're on coinmarketcap.com, in order to avoid potential scams and using scam tokens, where we have the contracts, that's on the contract section, simply click on this copy icon and copy the contract address for the Bonk token. And once you've done that, simply scroll down to the market section. On the market section, you can find the list of exchanges that have the Bonk coin. And now all you need to do is simply take note of the trading pair on Radium and the trading pair on KuCoin. And now your next step would be to open up the Radium platform on your wallet. So let's say you've got your Bonk tokens on Trust Wallet. Okay guys, and once you've opened up your Trust Wallet, please make sure you have some Solana on your wallet. It's important to have Solana on your wallet so you can perform transactions. And the Solana I'm talking about is the mainnet Solana. So simply search for this Solana. Click on the mainnet Solana, and if you do not have any of the mainnet Solana, simply click on the buy option and make sure you pay with your card. That you can use your card, your Visa or your MasterCard to make the payments. So once you've done this, you would have some Solana on your wallet. Now, with the Solana on your wallet, all you need to do is head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply search for radium.io. The link would be in the description of the video. Now, once you're on radium.io, simply scroll down and click on the Enter Exchange. We're going to be heading over to the exchange section. The icon at the top right corner of the screen, you could use this icon to simply connect your wallet. As you can see, my wallet is already connected. So with that in mind, all we need to do is now, in the place of Radium, that's RAY, click on the Ray token and simply search for Bonk. So guys, all you need to do now is, before you select the Bonk token, paste the contract address we just copied. And it's the Bonk. Click on the Bonk token. So guys, once you selected the Bonk token, how can you sell your Bonk? By using the swap option, click on this swap that you're switching the places. Now enter the amount of Bonk you'd like to sell. Let's say you've got yourself 100,000 Bonk or more. That's 1 million Bonk or more. All you need to do now is simply enter the amount of Bonk you wish to sell. And once that's done, simply click on the swap option. We can simply swap our Bonk over to the Solana or any other compatible cryptocurrency with the Bonk. So guys, once that's done, another option of selling your Bonk tokens is minimize and use the centralized exchange known as KuCoin. Once you've opened up the KuCoin platform, please make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts. So guys, once on the KuCoin platform, all you need to do is simply deposit your Bonk tokens here. So click on the deposit icon and simply search for BONK. Click on Bonk and simply deposit the Bonk tokens here. That's via the Solana network. So once you've copied the wallet address and everything, once you've deposited your Bonk, head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the funding or trading accounts, depending on where your Bonk tokens are stored. So guys, once you found your Bonk tokens, head to the home section and scroll over to the convert icon. Now on the convert icon, all you need to do is simply select the Bonk token. And once you've selected Bonk, click on the amount you wish to convert to the USDT and simply click on the confirm option. Click on confirm once more, and we've successfully sold our Bonk to the USDT. So guys, head over to the wallet section or the assets menu at the bottom right. And once you perform a reload, you'd find that the USDT is there. Do comment down below if you have a question, guys, concerning how we can sell the Bonk coin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.